The street is boiling up with full of energy, certain stories. Now, whichever woman energy here. But today, I sit here with me, Synergy, always with the two fingers in the air, live on Jeb TV. And this is on the street to serve you one bitter food. Very dangerous on our streets. Now, we take it as smartness. Now, you the boom crop.
Every day, John they come down. John they come down. Charlie, Madina. This one will be circle. Madina. See. Hey, Charlie. They give the guy $1,000 lah.
Jean outlined two things over here. Now, the first one is we have someone standing behind Aquana Water and product. It's a mobile phone I turn the amano. As if said the attention is not on what is going on over there, but on non air barber cause that damage. We have someone sitting next or adjacent to the original one water or pressing the phone, making it look as if they were who the question, but they were who pa. The exchange that person. This is how wicked we are on our own people thinking, say, they be a sebe kwasi abajum akwe John Paul said your commentary in the video na say air cannot air channel. There be. You've not been in that same situation. If someone is trying to play you might not know. Someone standing somewhere, how would you know, say, this is the Juma Yasese? Your attention, a bed call, a ho. Now you are telling channel your phone it will give you that confidence. They say, Ujina Krum, Ujina Nipan chain, into being team fast money new. Won't you show any chen because a one yesumu. Now so wait dear, ye man room are you who cratching nipum. Ye my daytime, I scary cratching say will be an ambush within the midnight and now one yet. Because the people you see them during the day now finish one and cast no. Etiko one me hokre sum cratching. If we wanna run a win the or shawana. But wait ye, one a be boo. Any street smartness, a offense, a criminal act, and now cost one. And this is a wake up call. Medina, any other places we know, says animal will say a coswo. You might think he said, Kwasiana abagum, the onona bera penny sika, I'll drink one when he said, or send me copy setting funny binam de choir madi and all things when him answer. Why John, winnow near tier, wo, and I'll cry the mastermind, and two into Beth Mia fancy will be a John. Na say towa near she said adwuma ne de siso na fa wobeti ase say obi de honhom na ye adwuma so na nya honhom. Now one on serious conversation go on within the process of the buyer and the seller. Na baako en look smart na baako nso hu ne say wanya ade afonjiro so ye fast na waje and something like this. Charlie me nipa bi o na the phone bi o se ne ho akere ne ntino menya fast na mentwa ne so ni je ho nko ade a on boys no o matata mia ba said them see feel wintino and ama me this half we month o your fasting nko ade a me de mawa on boys no o de offer ha on betwa hu ni say na o sanka de mo na man fa mo to the fancy so on betwa you holding your money na ukra usika na nim baby onye sika ni fe no wa brenya na so de bepe mobile phone say swap or whatever no sanka mo wa dwumu da ho na woti ase say the person trying to cover their water on their mawa, it's either a stolen item and now say one water with showabe or ye fast their was so now baba keep me catch on your netoma one now say train wait the enemy names as sanity until the moment to the for later no obeko back and forth to seek our sanka on the street of PZ. These are some of the silly conversations of course to be. Now when you move to the circle and the beer zones in Ibia na yo my guy, there is a move become by the way they feel you na my party bio. You say he makes it rough. So if your mind there, just take some small coins can make a dash you the phone. You know, say me then you there with the vibe, but just they feel you. That's the reason why they take this move, give you no. Scientists are there as a stranger on them street, so who na hey Charlie, you the wreck my party bio. As I see you now, I see say Charlie before you the one come by. If your mind there, I guess a small move be, but the thing be say my boys, they won't worry me, make I give that move to them. So if your man there, just give me some small coins, I just go take that phone, give you. Then no, you pass the bag there, go. I over pass it the bag there now. Wako now uko here, ube be so na examiner. First of all, I've already had a discussion with you concerning the Criminal Offence Act 208. I say any false information be that bounty be a criminal offence. Under the Criminal Offence Act, section 148, if you find yourself in the possession of a stolen item, without any proper excuse, or the man, who ni pakrono, what commit to offence, you bet me at chill. So as the PZ guy is telling you, say, I tell you fast enough for it, yes, our boys in the barbaje. I look sharp and go, and yes, I the boys they will come cross you and take the phone, take off. The moment they give the machine, that boy they give you no on barbaje. Into say, wouldn't him say you wouldn't walk away to a bet. Nasa Koban say a stolen item now wo because of all things, oh party of food into your ton de ma section 148 bit me ya barbe because a chrono dear. Now, when you proclaim something, say what you mean a song. Also use sweet words, false representation. A money per chrono, when Saka at the corner would 12 in ho and now water no. Sika and as a property, you know, I was so fast now you see Yama in what is shahono. Under section 131 of the Act 29, I will say, and also becomes a criminal offense. False representation, as tama wo can in yanokre, at the corner wo can in your sanity. Enti phone na wo gye ho no asem na wo kafa de kro no ho no enti saa na de agye nipa ko ni se musika se na japade nso anu ada de na wo de agye a criminal act. Now to be on the safer side, said the bear through your hustle now often say oh me smart logo wait to say ade wait to say enti no amenya fast na me copy na me nyama ne nkwa to say enubi na me ton nipa ne hu ye na obafin say ebia Nike ye the Puma or whatever nsi nipa ko ndi bedru fie no say Adidas na ye de nama abiata ene ho ahwani baba se ne ho Nike ni edin foforo ni asesane dia money pakro no. Under the section 161 talks about say o forge a certain trademark logo bi na odi da ni pakro no say obeto no. The law states na echiremu say what the person ehu ye no dia ni pakro ni gidi ye no dia o promise man ni pakro no. The same thing na legally emremuno, it becomes right for you to sell. So the other way around, you are committing felony. We are all pleading to Ghana Police Service when issues like that are a bar. We all know a bar. If you go to police stations, a cost to papa. But the PZ and the Accra boys, they feel big. Some because yes, I anytime, any day because I some no kwa and kusi be na ya ne back and forth ya bato ani abato ha ye via won wanye smart eno ode ma won wanye say na won ade ma wanye say but emra de osenke ma mra ne sankofo ni edie de bia obi afri ne kurase abakro beto ade no ye hunu say that is the time o see twani pakro na be. Let's hold on ni entra ni mebi asese wo a wote wo atwe bi koso no. If you don't voice it out today, tomorrow it will affect you on a different side of it because it is revenge and karma taking a course in a different turn. Let's roll it on with me, Synergy, always with the two fingers in the ear. Until next time, and this is On the Streets.